Hello, friends. Today, I want to share with you something I'm really good at: creating tattoo lettering on the body. But first, let's take a look at a few examples of my work. As you can see, I always strive for perfect lines and beautiful fonts that highlight each person's individuality. And today, I'm going to show you how to achieve similar results using the Mast Mini tattoo machine. Let's start with the unboxing. For just over $100, you get the tattoo machine itself with one battery and a Type-C cable. The dimensions of the machine are 38 mm in diameter and 120 mm in height. The battery has a capacity of 1,600 mAh. Mast Mini has a needle stroke length of 3.6 mm and a voltage of 4212. If you double-click the power button, the jump start mode is enabled. Also, if you already have Mast Fold Pro and Must Fold Pro 2 machines, you can change the battery with the Mast Mini machine. Now let's move on to the process of creating a lettering. We're choosing the lettering we'll be tattooing. I decided to use a simple yet stylish font that's often used in lettering. We transfer it onto the fake skin and begin the process. I want to share with you the configurations that I usually make lettering. Now on your screens you can see what needle configurations and brands I use. Needle protrusion is approximately 4 millimeters. My working voltage is from 5 to 6 depending on the skin type and the place of the future tattoo. On fake skin you can draw a line several times in the same place, but on human skin you can't do this. My advice: try to draw a line in one pass. My technique is to do one letter at a time, then I thicken one side. Do not wipe the transfer often, it may rub off. Gently blot the paint from the skin. Don't rush, move the line slowly and with concentration. As you can see, the machine handles fine lines and small details excellently. It's important to hold the machine correctly and maintain consistent movements. I always aim to make the lines crisp and clean. Write in the comments if you like this video format and I will release more educational videos for you. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. Enjoy watching. And now, our work is finished. The Mast Mini machine truly helped me achieve an excellent result. Its lightness and precision are exactly what's needed for creating such tattoos. In conclusion, I'd like to say that whether you're just starting out in the tattoo industry or already have experience, this machine will be a great tool for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you in the next videos.